I smell dumplings. Yum. Oh my god. Sorry guys. It's me, Easton the Sporty Nerd, who likes dumplings. And he's also the dude in the airport, who brings you yet another question. This one may look easier, but it's actually kind of hard, as the previous one argued. A picture book is made from a pile of 16 sheets. The whole pile is folded in half. The pages are numbered 1 to 64. Question: which other pages are on the same sheet as page 17? So, first of all, you might be confused by the first few sentences. It says the book is made from 16 sheets, and then the whole pile is folded in half. So if you fold it in half, there are now 32 sheets. But then it says the pages are numbered 1 to 64. Where did 32 go? How did 64 come here? Well, I'll explain it to you with 1, 2, 3 pieces of paper. First of all, let's see. It's made from a pile. Now, the whole pile is folded in half. Before we had 3 sheets. Now we have 6 sheets. But surprisingly, there are 12 pages. How does this work? I will show you. As you see, this is one sheet, but this is one page, and this is a different page. So you have to remember, one sheet has 2 pages. So if we have 6 sheets, then there are 12 pages. And if we have 32 sheets, there are 64 pages. So, how do we find the other pages? Well, I'll use a diagram to explain everything. Coming in 3, magic 1, 2, 1. Ta-da! See? It appeared out of nowhere. Well, let's see. First of all, there is a line of symmetry because each box has 2 numbers, and each box is allocated to a space in the number system and has different colors. 63 and 64 is with 1 and 2. 3 and 4 are with 61 and 62. 5 and 6 are with 59 and 60. And as you noticed, the red is one sheet, the green is one sheet, and the black is one sheet. So first of all, we can see in this sequence, the odd numbers come first and the even numbers come second. And 17 is an odd number. So our first number will be from 17 plus 1, which is 18. Now, I found out something else. You see the last 2 numbers on each part of the page. 2 and 64 make 66. 62 and 4 makes 66. 60 and 6 makes 66. If you think it's only those 3, let's see. 48 plus 8 also equals 66. Wow, it's a miracle. We can find the other 2 pages using this pattern. 18 plus x equals 66. We could do 66 minus 18 to find x. Let's do it. 48. X is 48. Now, 48. So that's our third number. Our last number will be found from seeing that 48 is an even number. So y equals odd number. And because odd numbers always come first, it's 48. Take away 1. 48 take away 1 equals 47. So, there you are. 18, 48, 47. Now, let's look at the options and see which one is the correct one. 16, no good. 18, good. 45, reject. Okay, guys, I found it. The answer is C. 18, 47, and 48. Well, it wasn't that hard after all. First we thought it was easy, and then we thought it was hard, and then we thought it was easy again. That means you can't judge a book by its cover. So, yeah, remember to like and subscribe, please, and see you later.